All right, we're here with the 中文 project. My name is Jason Brooks, also known as 布老师. Today we're going to go through and develop some proficiency in Mandarin Chinese. So here we go. All right, so how this works is that we have videos, the grammar exercises, and the online flashcards. And these are meant to be multi-directional and to work in concert to develop a deep understanding and push your understanding of this Mandarin Chinese grammar concept deep. So we'll have the videos, grammar exercises, and then the online flashcards available to you. All right, so the objective for today is to use your existing knowledge to help you better understand Mandarin grammar. The grammar pattern that we'll learn today is how to say that's really. So that's really awesome, that's really good, that's really bad, that's really far, etc., etc. And at the end of the video today, you will understand what that means, which is kind of exciting, right? Because at this point, it's just a bunch of pretty beautiful Chinese characters that don't necessarily have any meaning, but we're going to fix that. All right, and how you say that is Tai Hao Le. Say it with me. Tai Hao Le. And faster in colloquial Chinese, you say Tai Hao Le. Say that with me. Tai Hao Le. Tai Hao Le. All right. So the understanding goals for today are you'll learn how to use this grammar pattern, the Tai Hao Le, and you'll learn when to appropriately use it, and then you'll understand how to say that's really, etc. So in this blank, we'll insert the adjective. So that's really good, far, bad, expensive, etc. After this lesson, you'll be able to use this grammar pattern in colloquial Chinese, be able to share your opinions in Mandarin, and hopefully use this pattern in new and exciting ways. All right, so watch for a pattern. Did you see it? Right? So these two panels stayed the same while this one changed. We'll come back to that in a second. Here's the second. So the way that this pattern works is that the tai and the la stay the same while the middle, represented by an adjective, changes. So let's see how that looks like in practice, right? There's a happy guy. Let's all be happy. So tai hao le. So again, tai means really or extremely or very to the superlative. And la is just a particle that closes. So think of these two, tai and la, as fixed. And those will never change in the pattern. But this middle, hao, which literally means good, will change. So tai hao le means that's really good. And again, this is going to change. Who's awesome? You're awesome. Puppies are always awesome. Never hurt. So puppies are tai hao le. All right, so this man is very gao. He's more gao than this guy or this guy. This guy is very gao. So you can say he's tai gao le. Tai gao le. Say that with me. Tai gao le. This guy is very gao, which is tall. So to say that's, or in this case, he's really tall, is to say tai gao le. Say it with me. Tai gao le. All right. So these are diamonds, someone's best friend, not mine, a little expensive for my taste. And they're known around the world as being very gui, or expensive. So diamonds are gui. And to say that's really or that's too expensive, you would say 太贵了,太贵了,太贵了. So this is a very useful phrase when you're shopping in Beijing or Shanghai, and you look at something that you want to buy, and you start off with the bantering, and you say, 太贵了,太贵了. That's too expensive. So say that with me. 太贵了,太贵了. All right, moving right along. Oh, she's very late. She's very late. After a long day, she just wants to sleep, and she's very tired. And to say tired in Chinese, you say 累. So again, tai and le don't change, but the adjective in the middle changes. So 太累了. That's right, you guessed it. It means that's really, or she's really, really tired. And I bet you're asking at this point, what's the difference between he or she's really and that's really? Well, in colloquial Chinese, you would most often point at something, and pointing would give you the context. So if you pointed at a person and said, 太累了, what you mean is he or she is really tired. Versus if you just said, 远 means far. If you said 太远了, people would understand that you meant, oh, that is very far, or that is too far. So that distinction, when you're speaking with another Mandarin speaker, you probably want to make that distinction in terms of pointing and using gesture would be very helpful. So 太累了. Do you remember what this means? That's right. 太好了. It's the one that we saw at the beginning of the video. It means that's really good or that's really awesome. 太好了. All right. So performance of understanding. We went over this video, and I hope if you need to watch it again. Go back to the flashcards. Do what you need to do. But try to use this pattern in class at the next opportunity, or the next opportunity to speak with a Mandarin Chinese speaker, and see if you can infuse this pattern into your conversation. If you have questions, you can go ahead and tweet them to me at the Zhongwen Project, or Praj here, or email them to me at jasbrooks038@gmail.com. So these two things are incorporated to give you a feedback loop, so that way we can keep this conversation going. So wrapping up and looking forward, download the grammar worksheet for more practice, and head to the Quizlet website and practice there. And you can see there's the link there, and also on the grammar worksheet, there's the link to the Quizlet. So you want to, again, like I said at the beginning of the video, with the kind of multi-directional triangle, use all three of these in concert to really develop and deepen your understanding. And of course, stay tuned for the next episode.